Introducing the 2024 Aprilia SR160. Powered by a robust 160.3cc engine, the Aprilia SR160 delivers a sharp 10.86 horsepower at 7,600 RPM and a peak torque of 11.6 Newton-meter at 6,000 RPM, designed to propel you ahead of the crowd. Equipped with a continuous variable transmission, the SR160 offers seamless power delivery, ensuring a smooth and responsive ride that's as thrilling as it is dependable. With a seat height of just 780mm and a light curb weight of 122 kg, the SR160 is accessible and easy to handle, perfect for both seasoned riders and newcomers alike. Not just a ride, but a practical companion. The SR160 boasts impressive ground clearance of 155mm, navigating through urban obstacles with ease, while the 6-litre fuel tank ensures you have enough to keep going without constant stops. The 2024 Aprilia SR160. It's not just about mobility, it's about experiencing the city like never before. Are you ready to take the streets? Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more updates on motorcycles like this. Until next time, ride safe, ride free.